Hi everyone, this is Travis from DIY Auto, and I'm going to be showing you the cheapest mod you can do to your car with Plasti dip. Alright, so first you're going to want to clean all the surface that you are working with. I use rubbing alcohol, but really just a quick wash is going to be all you're going to be able to need to do. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to tape the area about a 1/4 inch around everything that you're going to be working with. The reason why I love Plasti dip is because you don't need any precise taping. It's all just kind of approximate because you're going to be peeling away the extra anyways. Next, what I like to use is just simple newspaper just to protect from overspray. Alright, so once you get everything all taped off, make sure all the tape is stuck down really well. You're going to want to shake the Plasti dip can as much as possible, and you're going to want to shake it throughout the entire spray. So your first coat is going to be really light, it's more of a mist, and it's really important to make the Plasti dip really stick. You're going to want to keep your spray between 6 and 10 inches away from what you're coating. Alright, so let's go. Alright, now that we have that base coat down, we're going to let that dry for about 15 minutes. Alright, now that we've let that sit for about 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and apply another coat, and it's going to be a little bit thicker this time. Alright, always make sure to spray from all different angles to make sure you cover every little bit. Alright, now it's time for the third coat. Alright, now it's time to do our fourth coat. Alright, time for the fifth coat and the last coat. Alright, now it's time to let that dry. Alright, we've let it dry for a little while. Now we're going to start taking off the newspaper and start peeling the tape. And you want to be really careful because the Plasti dip is going to adhere to the tape. I'm going to carefully peel off this tape. And we're going to see how it came out. Alright, and that's it.